How to post on Instagram from your PC or laptop. If you want to upload photos to Instagram without transferring them to your phone, this is the easiest method. First, open any web browser on your computer and go to Instagram.com. Then sign into your Instagram account if you haven't signed in already. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand menu. You'll see the Create button with a plus icon. Click on it. Now click Select from Computer. Choose the photo you want to upload. After that, click Open. Here, you can crop the image if needed. And tap Next. You can apply filters or make basic adjustments. Click Next again. Now here, you can enter caption, add location, add collaborators, tag people, and adjust any other post settings if you want. Once everything looks good, simply click Share in the top right corner. Instagram will upload your photo, and your post will be published directly from your computer. That's all it takes to post photos on Instagram from a PC or laptop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips, social media tutorials, and step-by-step how-to guides. Thanks for watching.